The Journey, a story by Khattar.
Hi, my name is Bob. I'm an ice cube. Right now, I have science with Mr. Vanilla.
Now Mr. Vanilla tells us what will happen. Today we will learn about what happens to stuff when you melt it. I'm the only one in the class that doesn't like this. I really find science not that fun and not that exciting. I really hope I don't have Mr. Vanilla next year. Mr. Vanilla showed us what a hot plate was. It was basically a plate that just melts stuff. Because it exposes energy to the molecules, the molecules grow farther apart and it becomes liquids, then gases. Right now, I was sort of formulating an idea, but not really. Mr. Vanilla told us that we would put a dead ice cube on the hot plate to observe what happens. I have an idea, I thought to myself. Why don't we just put Mr. Vanilla on the hot plate to observe what happens? Then when he melts, we can just go home because there's no more teacher. This is awesome. I had actually formulated a plan that will work. Let's do it. But I forgot about the water cycle. Shall we see what happens? When Mr. Vanilla turned his back, I pulled him onto the hot plate, hoping that he would melt so we can go home. Mr. Vanilla was melting. My plan actually worked. Because of the heat from the hot plate, his molecules grew apart, so he was starting to become a liquid, and his molecules started to move faster because of the energy. All I did was stand in the side and laugh. Everyone else was silent. Mr. Vanilla was screaming, "Help me! Help me!" But no one helped. I was in the way. If anyone tried to touch him, I would throw them in too. So no one dared. I watched till Mr. Vanilla was a liquid. His molecules were so spaced apart that he didn't even have a definite shape. But he did have a definite volume. And I had the power to rule the class. It's not like I turned off the hot plate or anything. He was still boiling away. Suddenly, Mr. Vanilla started to evaporate. We could see steam in the air. He was boiling that much. I started to laugh even harder because I was shocked to see this face change. All Mr. Vanilla did was grow smaller and smaller until we could not even see him. Finally, Mr. Vanilla was gone. Poof! He was nowhere to be seen. There's not even any liquid on the hot plate anymore. He was gone from existence. He was a gas. His molecules were so far apart that you could move your hands through them. It was amazing. But I can rule the class now. Ha, ha, ha! But really high up, little did I know, Mr. Vanilla turned into a cloud because of the coldness up there. He was a cloud. That's so cool. I wish I was a cloud. Hey, no, I'm not gonna burn myself. It'll hurt too much. But Mr. Vanilla started to rain because of the coldness, because he was a cloud, of course. He was experiencing condensation, the phase change from gas to liquid. He was really, really happy. I think I may have heard a scream of joy. Nah, just kidding. When Mr. Vanilla hit the ground, a huge blizzard hit the whole city. But he was becoming an ice cube again because of the coldness. His molecules came closer and the molecules stopped moving so fast because of the coldness. He's becoming an ice cube again.
Mr. Vanilla became an ice cube again. That's so cool. His molecules were so tightly packed and didn't move fast. Mr. Icy ran back to the classroom to tell his students his amazing story. He only said 2 words when he got to the classroom. "I'm back." Thanks for watching.